Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Dovety electric spin scrubber. So reason number 1 is it charges with USB-C. That's super nice. Reason number 2 is it's actually really powerful. Reason number 3 is it's extendable. So I move this, and I can extend this so I don't have to bend over and I can scrub all of this. Let's see how it works. Okay, so let's clean my shower with this Dovety electric spin scrubber. We're going to first turn it on high. It's really powerful, and I don't have to bend over. I can clean this entire floor without having to bend over. And I'm really pressing down. It's got a nice battery display. There's low power, turn it off. I've got this nice bag that will let all the attachments air dry. Okay, let's change attachments. It's super easy. Pull it off, grab this. We're gonna push it on to line it up. All right, pushed on, turned on again. Now let's do the corners. Look how far I can reach. And I'm not having to bend over. I can go up the walls. I am really pushing down. Let's try it on low. So there's low speed. Not as much power, but high speed works great. And again, I can just unscrew the handle there. That's like a broom handle thread. So I could put even a longer reach on it, but now I've got this handheld scrubber. Got a lot of grip here. I could just scrub wherever I wanted to, using it as a handheld. I absolutely love this electric spin scrubber brush. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.